Yolock Intelligent Tech Company Limited is a professional supplier in smart security, intelligent home solutions, and hotel lock solutions. We specialize in the design, development, and global trade of premium smart locks and smart home devices. Our product range includes palm vein recognition locks, facial recognition locks, fingerprint locks, digital password locks, home smart locks, and hotel smart locks, offering a complete solution for modern living and commercial security needs. Yolock products are fully compatible with both the TUIA Smart Home System and the TT Lock platform. This dual system support provides customers with greater flexibility, seamless connectivity, and smarter control tailored to every lifestyle and business scenario. With strong R&D partnerships, advanced supply chain management, and rigorous quality assurance, Yolock has earned the trust of global partners and end users alike. Our team continuously focuses on improving performance, durability, and user experience to ensure long-term value and reliability. Our products are exported to more than 50 countries and regions, including the Middle East, South America, Southeast Asia, Europe, and beyond. Committed to practicality and continuous improvement, Yolock strives to deliver smart lock products that combine technology, security, and user comfort. We aim to make smart living accessible and reliable for families and businesses around the world. Driven by innovation, reliability, and customer satisfaction, Yolock is dedicated to creating secure, intelligent, and user-friendly solutions that enhance comfort, safety, and convenience in everyday life. Yolock, making every door smarter, making every home safer, making every guest sleep better. Life could be easier